Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a Chrome app to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings. Then we need to tap the banner option. And here we have our options, as you can see. So first of all, we need to enable banner notifications at the top to even be able to choose from our applications. So we are looking for the Chrome, which it's here. So we can enable or disable our notifications by simply checking this box right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.